Now, in my today's class, I want to teach you words that will describe various types of criminals. You remember my last class was on types of crime. Now, this class is about types of criminals. So, let us begin. See, many children they write simple words like thief, like robber. But if you want to improve your vocabulary, you have to know better words. Now, see, there is a very common word, felon. So, who is a felon? Felon is a person who commits felony. So, felon is a person who commits felony. Now, what is felony? Means it's a very violent type of crime. Means like murder. Example, someone who commits, example, murder. So, committing murder is a felony, and the person who commits murder is known as a felon. Now, those forensic experts they even take the help of graphology. So, in graphology, they have come up with an expression felon's claw. Okay, felon's claw. Now, if someone is writing Y like this, G like this, you understand? So, they have observed, लोगों ने जो forensic experts हैं उन्होंने बहुत से criminals की handwriting को observe किया और जो common उनकी handwriting में जो common चीज़ें थी उन्हें मिली कि criminals की handwriting में इस तरह से वो claw बनाते हैं, तो इसी से ये नाम भी पड़ा felon's claw. तो अब let us come to the next expression. Okay, after felon, the next one is goon. Now, who is a goon? Goon कौन है? तो goon एक ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो पैसे लेके लोगों को या तो डराता है या मारता पीटता है. तो goon पैसे लेके जो करे खून. So, who is a goon? So, goon is a criminal who takes money for injuring or hurting people, right? So, what was the previous word you remember? The previous word was felon. This present one is goon. What is it? Goon. Okay. Now, let's write this. Till now, there are two words that you have handled. First one was felon, second is goon. Now, the third is miscreant. Miscreant. Now, who is a miscreant? So, miscreant is a person who has committed something illegal. अगर कोई गैरकानूनी काम करता है तो ऐसे व्यक्ति को बोलते हैं miscreant. अब कई बार एसेज या लेटर राइटिंग्स में आप इस वर्ड का यूज कर सकते हैं कि the miscreants have created havoc in my neighborhood. Miscreants. Okay. Now, अगला वर्ड. तो आपको अभी तक याद है कितने वर्ड्स हुए? पहला वर्ड था felon, दूसरा वर्ड था goon, तीसरा वर्ड हो गया miscreant. अब let us see the next word. Next word is a comparatively easier word. अगला शब्द बहुत ही इजी है. अगला शब्द है, you all must be knowing about this, gangster. Yes, next word is gangster. You know very well who is a gangster. Gangster वो है जो गैंग ऑपरेट करता है, the main person behind a gang. Such person is known as gangster. अब gangster से रिलेटेड एक और वर्ड है hooligan. Now, who is a hooligan? Now, hooligan is a criminal who is member of a gang. So, hooligan is a criminal who is a member of a gang. So, such person is known as hooligan. Okay. Now, let me write this. Now, till now you have seen these words. Now, let's come to a very interesting word. Now, this word is delinquent. Okay. Now, delinquent is, it refers to those young people who are willing to do crime. Delinquent. So, with the help of this, two more words are clubbed. Juvenile delinquency. What is this juvenile delinquency? Juvenile, it relates with young people. Young people. So when young people are involved in crime, they are referred to as juvenile delinquency. So delinquent is a younger person who is not a major, he is a minor. Yes, तो ऐसा जब क्राइम करेगा तो उसको बोलते हैं जुवेनाइल डेलिक्वेंसी. और इसीलिए बहुत से जगहों पे जुवेनाइल कोर्ट्स भी हैं. जुवेनाइल कोर्ट्स. जुवेनाइल कोर्ट्स कौन से केसेस हैंडल करते हैं? जो यंग क्रिमिनल्स, जो केसेस जो जिन क्राइम्स में इन्वॉल्व हैं, वो केसेस रेफर्ड होते हैं जुवेनाइल कोर्ट्स में. ओके, नाउ लेट मी राइट दिस. अब एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड है, वो है बर्गलर. क्या है? बर्गलर. BUR, बर्गलर. अब बर्गलर कौन है? तो बर्गलर वैसा क्रिमिनल है जो इलीगली बिल्डिंग्स में घुसता है चोरियां करने के इरादे से, चोरी करने के इरादे से. ही एंटर्स इनटू बिल्डिंग्स इलीगली टू स्टील. ओके, सो सच क्रिमिनल इज नोन एज बर्गलर. सो after burglar, now let me write this. Now very often we hear from people, many people use this word when they are very angry. Rascal. So rascal, it sounds very funny. इसका उच्चारण बड़ा फनी है. रास्कल लोग यूज करते हैं, एक दूसरे को रास्कल बोलते हैं. रास्कल इज बेसिकली जो शैतान बच्चों पे ज़्यादा इसका इस्तेमाल होता है, कि जो बहुत शैतानी करते हैं, कहना नहीं मानते हैं, तो उनको रास्कल्स बोला जाता है. बट बेसिकली दिस मैन इज समवन हु वायलेट्स द लॉ, हु इज डूइंग समथिंग इलीगल. तो रास्कल, ऐसे आदमी को बोलेंगे रास्कल. ओके, अब रास्कल के बाद नेक्स्ट इज समवन हु इज डूइंग समथिंग illegally. So such person is known as rogue. Such person is known as rogue. Illegal चीजों को करने का रोग लगा है, तो ऐसे आदमी का नाम है rogue. He is referred as rogue. Okay. अब let us revise. Can we recall all the words? Let us see. So the first word is felon. After felon, it is goon, जो पैसा लेके करे खून. चलो, next is miscreant. After miscreant, gangster. After gangster, hooligan. After hooligan, delinquent. After delinquent, rogue. And after rogue, the word which we had was, yes, rascal. And finally, the word we had was burglar. So let me write on top. So I hope this collection will help you to define more clearly. Instead of writing simple words like, many children, they will just write thief, they will just write robber. So these are, simple words. Now if you want to make it little more, ornamental, like, you can tell someone spoiled egg. Someone you can call as spoiled egg. Someone you can call as father of lie, है ना? Father of lie. You can call someone as father of lie. Wrongdoer. Evildoer. Evildoer. So, let me write it more properly. Evildoer. So there are expressions. Then you can say, someone. Yeah, we missed one very interesting word. एक वर्ड हम लोग मिस कर गए, टेररिस्ट. TERRORIST. टेररिस्ट इज ऑल्सो, इसका तो बहुत ज्यादा लेवल बढ़ा है क्राइम का, टेररिस्ट. सो वंस अगेन you can say burglar, you can say felon, goon, miscreant, gangster, hooligan, delinquent, juvenile delinquent, rogue, rascal, terrorist, wrongdoer, evildoer, thief, robber. तो easy है. Spoiled egg, थोड़ा irritate होके लोग बोलते हैं he is a spoiled egg, he is father of lie. अब ऐसे लोगों को they are black sheep in the family, they are all about bad man, है ना? Black sheep. So this is a small collection. I am sure this would have enriched your vocabulary somewhere. कहीं ना कहीं आपने पढ़ा भी होगा, मैंने रिवाइज करा दिया. Thank you all of you. Thank you.